So I've got two new Mini GTs and two new Tarmacs. Let's start with the first Tarmac. It's a Pagani Zonda Revolution. Official car, okay. 164 skill from Tarmac Works. You see the skill barcode article number for the ones who are interested, and we can see it's an official licensed product. Some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And you can see Tarmac Works is active on social media. We got the Pagani logo right here. A very nice picture of the Pagani. Looks a little bit like a safety car. Let's open this up. Oh, pardon. I like these kind of packaging. Easy to get the car out. Ooh, nice. We have a metal base, not much details. And we got rubber tires. Looks like slicks for the racing circuit. Yeah, like I said, official car, and it looks like a safety car. We got side mirrors here and a good looking interior with some room for fresh air here in the side of the window. Excuse me. Very nice looking back with a big spoiler, nice exhaust. Here the Zonda logo, painted rear lights. And in the front we also have a painted rear lights. Yeah, really like this car. And I have a nice idea for a photo in combination with some Formula 1 cars I've got. Still hope Mini GT of Tarmac is going to make a pit box for a Red Bull F1 car. Then I have another Pagani right here from Mini GT, Yara Roadster in black. To be honest, I'm not a super big fan of Pagani. It's a little bit too much for me. Maybe you understand what I'm saying. TSM model, barcode, and article number. Again, official licensed products. And it's in a 164 scale. Let's see if we can open this without damaging the package. There we go. Here it is. Feels really heavy. Again, nice packaging. Easy to get it out. Black with black rims with red lines around the rim. And also a red line here. Here we got a little bit of carbon fiber red interior. Nice with some details on the dashboard in silver paint and a black steering wheel. That's really well done. Ooh, the golden accent here at the engine is also really well done. And here we got something that looks like lanced headlights. Let's switch to another camera. And we zoom in a little bit better. And there we can see it is definitely a lanced headlight. And also here we got the carbon fiber and rubber side mirrors. So they won't come off that easy. I know when a Mini GT start making models, those side mirrors, ooh, they came off really easy. You had to be careful with that, but they improved the side mirrors. Yeah, definitely a very cool model, and also a metal base without any details. Here we got some profile on the tires, and the tires here in the back are a little bit wider than the ones in the front. And how is that with the Pagani right here? Yeah, same. I like that. Good work, Tarmac Works and Mini GT. To be honest, this one is a little bit cooler in my opinion, but that has to do with taste. and not with quality and looks of the car. Yeah, both really nice looking cars. Oh, I have to switch back to, this is a much better view. Okay, let's put those here. Then we're going to have a look at this Lamborghini Aventador limited edition. Nice, matte silver. Limited edition, that is what we like. But what is a limited edition? I mean, if they made 5,000 pieces from this model, I don't think it's a limited edition. And eventually, everything is a limited edition if they stop producing it. That's the reason I always say limited edition, that is what we like. Because it's a little bit ridiculous, in my opinion. Licensed products. Yeah, I know a lot of you collectors really like a licensed product. For me, it's not that super important. If a car looks authentic and is good, I'm okay with that. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Yeah, shiny stickers here on the side. We can see Mini GT is active on social media. Let's not wait any longer and open the package. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Me like Lamborghini. What a beauty. Silver with those black rims. I like black rims. Yep. Very nice back. LB Performance. Painted rear lights, but they look really good. I like that. And something that looks like a license plate, but I guess it's a Lamborghini. Metal base tires with profile that are wider in the back than in the front. That is realistic. Here we got the front with, I think they're lanced headlights, carbon fiber. This is a really cool looking Lamborghini. LB Performance, nice black interior, difficult to see. We can see the dashboard and we can see it's a left-hand steering drive. And there is something here. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can see the sponsors. Maybe it's better to do it like this. It's a better camera for that. Made in Japan. And something else. We can have a better look at the car. Can see more details. Yeah, wheels are rolling really well. Maybe some of you want to know if the wheels from Tarmac. Yes, the Tarmac wheels are also really rolling really well. And yeah, this is a Mini GT, so perfect. Then the last one. It is from Tarmac Works, but in cooperation with Shugo. Yeah, this is definitely Shugo casting here in this package. Good on. I think it's some sort of clothing brand. I'm not 100% sure. Volkswagen T3 panel van. Good on your body. Yeah, it's got to have something to do with clothes. Limited production run. Nice. Good on, good on. Do we see some more information? Barcode, article number, official license, product scale 164. That is good to know. Active on social media. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay. Not a big fan of packaging like this. Okay, here we got a tool. Wow. It's not my best screwdriver, but it worked. Feels really heavy, and we got a metal base with a silver accent here on the back. Something that looks like a spare tire. Rubber tires that are rolling really well. Comfortable, basic, good one. Nice side mirrors. Right hand steering. Okay. License plate. Since 1997. Lens headlights. Volkswagen logo in the middle. Good. Side mirrors. Windscreen wipers. Molded in the glass of the front window. Nothing wrong with that. Nice detail here. I think it's for fuel. Right here. And here, what it says here, let's take the other camera and we can have a better look. 25 years, good on. So yes, a very nice looking Volkswagen mellows with age. Volkswagen lanced rear lights, yes. Can we see something in the back? Nah. Opening parts? Nah. But I like this Volkswagen a lot. It looks really cool. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your Diecast friends and thumbs up, please. You really help me with that. For now, I have to say, have a very good day. Happy hunting. Bye.